Hi, in this video we are going to see how we can add our brand colors and use them every time we create or edit a template in WayMore's Visual Templates tool. There are two ways to add our brand colors. We can do it manually by selecting each color ourselves, or we can add our brand colors automatically by providing our website. Let's start with how we can add brand colors manually. First, we open the color picker and we select the color that we want. Then we simply click on the plus button and the selected color has been added in our brand colors. Now, let's see how we can add brand colors automatically from our website. Again, we open the color picker and we click on the Add from Website option. Here we simply provide our website URL and click the check button. And as you can see, we easily added our brand colors in no time. Of course, we can edit our saved brand colors by clicking on the Edit option. Here, we can change the order of the saved brand colors by clicking and dragging them. And we can change any of the saved brand colors to a different one by simply clicking on it and then selecting the color that we desire. Also, we can delete a brand color by clicking on the X button. Or we can delete all of them by clicking on the Delete All option. And to save the changes that we made, we simply click on the check button. So we went through all the different ways of adding and editing our brand colors, but how can we use them when creating or editing a template? Let's see how simple it is. So when we open the color picker to change the color of an element, we will be able to see our saved brand colors. So what we need to do is just simply click on a saved brand color that we want to use. As you can see with the brand colors feature, we are able to always create brand consistent templates while saving time and effort at the same time. Thank you for watching.